Here we see the wild Vincent slowly heading to mid. He and his diamond sword and pants and boots of epicness are slowly approaching, collecting emeralds, which he unfortunately forgot to collect. He is slowly heading towards the end of the game with 4 minutes left. Collect the emeralds, Vincent! Okay, just April.
Wait, where is the opera?
At the top. Just throw very high, like an art, like Boeing.
This.
Yeah, that works. Oh, the fight has begun. And GG! Oh my god. Wait, I got 10 kills? 10 kills? You got none!